Transfer back. You're too intoxicated to understand what I'm even telling you.
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home.
Oh, now you're gonna go home? You just said you didn't want to go home. Now you want to go home?
Are you serious?
On November 14th, 2020, former Roseville police officer Drew Scott Romo was kicked out of another bar for being drunk, and then a police report was filed, and the police arrived at the scene.
If you don't want to be in trouble with us, just go. That's it.
Dude, I'm fucking on your side.
They don't want you at the business, so you need to go.
I'm on your fucking side.
I get that, but they don't want you here tonight, man.
You guys are fucking brutal.
Hey.
I'm on your side, bro.
We understand what you do, but you need to.
I'm a law enforcement.
Okay, you need to understand. Hey.
You want to have a blue conversation?
Come here. What did he do? What did he do?
He's trying to fight everybody that walks by.
Right.
We kicked him after you guys told us to kick us out. We kicked him out.
He ain't even fucking following no social distance.
So we literally kicked him out, and then he's literally after you guys. They just stood up. He's like, "You guys want to fucking call him out? You gotta leave, bro."
All right.
Dude, it's fucking Arizona. What the fucking? What am I getting on? What fucking? What am I?
They're taking you out.
What am I?
I'm just trying to keep you out of jail.
No.
You want to be a California cop and be a dick, and you want to chest bump us? You can go ahead and do that. And guess where you're going to end up? In my fucking jail.
Yeah, I want to know where.
You can either calm down and go home.
No, I want to. What am I doing wrong?
You're too intoxicated. You're trying to pick fights with people. Every club has asked you to leave
On
multiple
what
times.
club?
Every club you've gone to.
On what? What am I doing?
I've removed you twice from 2 different clubs. Do you not understand that?
What am I 602?
I don't know what that is. That's California code. I don't know what that is.
602 resident?
I don't know what that is.
What am I trespassing on?
This place kicked you out.
On what
Whiskey Row kicked
fucking
you out.
regimen?
You're not even hearing me. I'm trying to keep you from going to jail.
I'm understanding. What am I on?
You're not understanding anything, my man.
I'm trying to. But
you're not.
What are they
What
fucking...
is the hard part about just going home so you don't get into trouble?
No, I'm trying to understand. What are they kicking me out for?
You're too intoxicated. In the state of Arizona.
What?
Listen to me for 1 second. Get it through your head right here, okay? You've had too much to drink and you're not processing anything anymore. Arizona law requires that if a bar realizes you're too intoxicated, they must remove you within 30 minutes.
On their own.
Despite the police officer explaining to Scott that he is too drunk to continue drinking in the establishments, Drew Scott Romo continues to protest with the officers, visibly confused due to the alcohol. Meanwhile, the other officer asks some questions to the guys outside the club, inquiring about how the disturbance by the former officer Romo unfolded.
You've been removed. There's no drunken public law. We don't have that here in the state of Arizona. They're kicking you out because you're inside their establishment too intoxicated. That's a state law. They're removing you. They're obligated by law to remove you from
I'm
the
asking you.
Holy cow.
No, I'm in fucking Arizona.
Yes, you are.
I'm not used to Arizona.
That's what I explained to you multiple times.
Do you,
getting it? You got kicked out of whiskey.
Yes, you were. Your buddy pushed you and told you to go home. When he was at the line, he kept on hitting the bouncer's hand. When he was trying to get through, the bouncer just kept on brushing him off. So,
hey, when he was at the front, they said that he was knocking your hand away, trying to get in and stuff.
Yeah, he kept getting like, and I was like, "Hey, just take a step back without a mask."
Was he hitting your hand away?
Yeah, he kept doing that. I was like,
how many times did you say he was knocking your hand away off you?
10, 15.
You saw it 10, 15 times?
I was just like this. I was like,
completely just being...
Yeah, right here, bro, the whole time.
he got like really this close, and I was like, "Hey, it's a little personal space, bro." And he just kept pushing, and I was like,
"All right, you gonna be a victim?"
"Sure, fuck it."
Cool.
At this point, the officers proceed to arrest the man.
Transfer back. You're too intoxicated to understand what I'm even telling you.
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home.
Oh, now you're gonna go home? You just said you didn't want to go home. Now you want to go home?
Are you serious?
Now you want to go home. Let's sit him down.
Dude, I have a fucking law enforcement ID.
You, sir, are a disrespect to our profession this evening. If you say it one more time, I'm going to hold you in custody and make you tell the judge in the morning that you have a law enforcement ID. You're a disgrace right now. So you need to shut your damn mouth before I call your supervisor, and we go from there, and you don't lose your job in California while you're visiting Arizona.
I don't understand.
So you close your mouth and let us do our job now, because you can't make adult decisions.
What's your job?
My job is to take you to jail now, because you can't be an adult. Have a seat.
I have your...
Have a seat.
Okay.
Have a seat. Sit down.
Hold on.
Sit down.
To fucking sit down?
Yes. Kick your feet out. Kick your feet out.
I have a fucking law enforcement ID in my wallet.
Hey. I told you what I said earlier. They got assault. Multiple witnesses watched about 15 times him swatting the hand of the security guards away in line, trying to grab us.
We've already asked them to go home tonight.
Cool.
So if you got a victim and you got someone that articulates it, he's already been kicked out of Whiskey Road.
Come on, bro.
Service. I don't
Are
want to do
you
it either,
serious?
Sometimes you got to.
I have a fucking
It's
ID.
and forgot the protocol. There's a protocol for this.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
No, man. The issue
I
is
have a fucking ID.
One of the officers goes to talk to Scott's friends, discovering that for a long time that evening, they tried to persuade him to go home, seeing him visibly drunk, and after he assaulted some people due to being denied entry to other clubs to drink. At this point, the officers, aware of the entire situation, decide to take Romo to the police station.
So, sir, you're telling me that I need to worry about it, but then I don't need to worry about it?
We're going to get you in the jail. We're going to get you, here, man, put one leg in. Okay. All right.
1, 2, 3. Where's your car at? Good.
Just right here. No, I'm good with that.
Where you at?
Just on the side right here.
Yeah, I mean, with everybody coming in.
So you're taking me in? What are you booking me for? 647F?
Yes.
Is that going on record?
Is what going on what record?
647F.
Sure.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Yeah, man.
647F is going on my record.
Spread your feet.
I can't walk?
No, you're done walking. You need to spread your feet.
You have any needles?
I don't have nothing, bro.
People are blowing up your phone, man.
Yeah, I understand that. Okay. I feel that. So I'm asking you what I need to... Why am I being booked for F?
Alright. Drew, you know the deal, okay, man? Is there anything?
Know the deal,
okay,
I can't be fucking chilling out for F.
Is there anything on your persons that we missed during this search?
No, I
okay.
have zero.
Alright, we have to give everyone the same warning that goes into our cop car and into our jail. If there's anything on your person that you know that we missed, that's in your underwear, socks, shoes, or boots, and you knowingly take it into the police car or into our facility, it's a felony offense in the state of Arizona.
Zero things in my fucking shoes.
I'm gonna pop it. Put your head.
Is there a fucking fit?
Do you slide your hands down into
I
the
can't.
groove? There you go. Keep hang on. Keep working your hands down. There's
Yeah,
elbow
fuck.
grooves. Okay. It's a short ride, okay?
Yeah, whatever.
Once in the cell and waiting to be taken home, Romo continues to show signs of drunkenness, inevitably prolonging his time in the police station's cell.
What's up, man?
I can't fucking breathe anymore.
Okay.
You're a fucking prisoner.
Well, sir, at this current time, you are in a jail facility, and the correct term probably would be prisoner. However, we're trying to get you released, but you're not showing any signs of sobering up that allows us to believe that you can go out and act accordingly in society. From what I understand, you're dialing 911. You're
I
continuously
can't breathe, sir.
You're continuously banging on the jail cell doors.
Because I can't breathe. I have anxiety.
I completely understand the anxiety part.
I am sobering up. What do you want me to do?
Well,
I can't breathe in here.
I understand that. I am ordered to inform you of this information. Upon your release, you are ordered to call Lieutenant Scott Blinn, and I will provide you his phone number.
I know Glenn's phone.
Okay, and you are ordered to call him immediately upon your release to report your actions. Do you have any questions about that directive?
But I can't breathe in here.
Okay, I'm not sure what other thing that I can offer for you.
I feel like a fucking animal in here. And this ain't right.
You've arrested
Cop to cop.
You've arrested people, right?
I have.
And they end up in a jail, right?
I have.
So you were arrested. So you end up in a jail. There's nothing we can do special for you because of your situation.
Now? You can't now?
Unfortunately, no, I can't. This goes back to our conversation from 3 hours ago when we tried our best to give you the professional courtesy that it deserved.
I gave it to you.
No. We tried to give you the professional courtesy.
I gave it to you.
Okay.
I was in handcuffs when I gave it to you.
Okay. I'm done here. I just had to advise you of what you are ordered to do.
I understand, sir, but I can't breathe in here.
I can open your trap, but if
Well-
you're going to keep banging, I'm not going to do it. It's just allowed to do it.
I literally cannot.
Is that a fair compromise? They'll open your trap to allow airflow
Do you know
inside.
who's going to come pick you up tonight? We have to release you to a sober ride. So if you were out drinking with friends, I assume...
Boss, you said he called 911?
Yeah.
Alright, my man. You gotta help us out too, being a police officer.
What do I need to do?
Not call 911.
I'm calling 911 because I can't breathe.
Okay, do you remember the...
No one's answering my call.
Sure.
You guys are treating me like a fucking prisoner, which I get, but you gotta give me something.
Yeah, we housed you alone.
Drew.
Dude, I can't breathe in
Drew,
here.
do you remember prior to the George Floyd incident that we got in the habit of saying, if you can talk, you can breathe? Do you remember that?
I understand.
So the fact that you're able to raise your voice, the fact that you're able to bang on a door, the fact that you're able to dial 911 leads me to believe, or a reasonable person to believe, that you are able to get oxygen into your lungs.
Have you ever been trapped in a jail cell?
I have not. I have not made poor decisions enough to wind myself up into this.
What was my poor decision?
But what I can tell you is I do have asthma and I do take an inhaler. So I can sympathize with you when I do have that feeling of entrapment. But what I can offer to you is that we're going to open up your tray door here. And if you'd like, you can get some fresh air that comes through there. Until you decide to stop banging on the jail door and calling 911, you're going to sit in here. The sooner that you can just take a little nap and wake up and kind of be in a better mood, the sooner that you're going to get out of here. I have to report back to your lieutenant this evening, and now I got to report back this behavior furthermore.
What's the behavior?
So you've been nothing but disruptive in the jail facility this evening.
I can't breathe.
Okay, sir. I'm done. Do you have any questions for me besides the fact
I'm asking, how do I get out of this?
He just told you.
Take a nap, close your eyes.
I'm not going to take a nap.
All right, man. Until you stop banging on the jail doors and down.
Can I call my lieutenant right now? How do I get out as soon as possible? I'm asking
You know what? Fair enough. Why don't you? How does he work that phone? Okay, let me give you the number to call, and you can call your lieutenant right now. I have it right here.
On this?
Yes. Go ahead.
What am I? How?
Okay. And if you want to, Goss, if you want to intro it, it's Lieutenant Blinn, Blynn.
Lieutenant Blinn, this is Romo. Good, how are you?
Romo was charged with assault and disorderly conduct. On March 23, 2021, Romo pleaded guilty to disorderly conduct. Romo was fined a total of $650. The assault charge was dismissed. According to Romo's LinkedIn profile, he now has the honor of serving the Lord full-time as the assistant director of a church in Rocklin, California.